It comes with a lot of benefit. If you're not benefiting kwamseleko, it means that there's something that you're not doing right, guys. So anyway, guys, let's get to start today. The rest of the house is Samana Piz and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Saturday, happy 2026, a huge congratulations to Samke Mosamseleko, wife number 5. It's giving Podge. My man is opening doors for me. It's not just a car, she is a personality, guys. Samke posted a mini video on Instagram and people were saying we knew very well trust me, when we are saving Mosamsa, there's no way that you cannot benefit anything, guys. The people are saying Samke, she has now joined Utobile, guys. It looks like it is a brand, sponsor, something like that. Maybe she is the new ambassador for GWM, guys. People are happy for Samke, guys, saying now she has to work with Tobile, because Tobile, guys, is ambassador for, I think, for Omodo and Haval. I'm not sure the other things that she's doing, guys. People are saying we are welcome you, CoComelon. We are happy to see you also benefiting kwamseleko, guys. You can't be, next to Mpumelelo, to Mosamseleko, to Sne, and you're not benefiting anything. You are trending every week. Everybody's talking about you and you're doing nothing about it. Trust me, there's something wrong with you. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. I'm home. Bye.